Good morning, everybody, and a happy 4th of July. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of that forecast. And in Lexington, here's some of our 4th of July weather history. You know, in 1968, we had a temperature of 50 degrees, one of the coldest 4th of Julys on record. But in 2012, the mercury rose all the way to 99, a very hot day. And in 1935, we got just about 2 inches of rainfall. That's our wettest 4th of July in Lexington. We might take a run at that today with how much rain has fallen. Now, as we go through the next 24 hours here, periods, on and off chances for showers and thunderstorms, as we've been talking about, posing mainly a very heavy rainfall threat with those storms. Now, we're going to get a little bit nerdy here. On top of the radar here, notice all the other greens. That is the atmospheric moisture, or what we call in the weather community precipitable water, which is basically how much moisture is kind of hanging in the atmosphere. So any thunderstorms that you get caught under today will be extremely efficient rain producers. They'll be able to wring out as much moisture as possible out of the atmosphere. So if you get caught under one of these, that's why we're so concerned that the rainfall could be extremely heavy because of how moisture loaded the atmosphere is. And even tomorrow, as our next system gets closer, more chances for those showers and storms. We talked about that heavy rain threat. Well, this is what we call an excessive rainfall risk. And you can see right through Lexington, there is that slight risk. This is rainfall that is heavy enough to result in flash flooding. So keep that in mind if you're headed to those family gatherings, your local community's fireworks show tonight. Please don't drive through flooded roadways if you should encounter them. So rounds of storms today. It's not going to be an all-day washout. They'll kind of be hit or miss. Temperatures into the 80s. Very warm but cooler than we were the past couple of days, into the 80s. Muggy tonight, but I think we should be in good shape for your community's fireworks shows. Most of that thunderstorm risk will have wrapped up by this evening, which is certainly good news. We'll get a break at the perfect time. More chances for storms tomorrow ahead of a stronger cold front. And then behind that front, as I said, drier, cooler, less humid air works its way in for the weekend, which is looking rather nice, before our rain chances increase by early next week.